Wow, you guys, that is so cool. Go on, look at that one. Ooh. Well done, baby. Oh my God, I'm not doing that.
I'm the pro.
I'm not a pro, Adam. I'm just trying to be careful so I didn't get knocked off. Oh.
Hey, come on.
Is this right?
Yeah,
No, I can't.
why?
No, I'm not getting in that. I'm so scared.
What are you scared of?
No, it just seems like I'm just going to be too clumsy in there.
I'm not afraid.
You're not afraid? Woo! My babies are going! It's so cool. Asha, do you like it? Asha, do you like that one? Asha, do you like that one? What? I can't hear you. Look, you want to go on this one? Can you go? I'm not sure. We need to find the age. Adam, do you want to go and ask the man strapping up the other lady there? Okay, the trampoline bungee. The trampoline one. Oh my God, it's so cool. Adam, we can ask the guy in red and find out from him if you guys can get on, if you're not too young. A dog to win any prize. So how does this work?
You pick one dog up.
Oh, okay. So they pick a dog
And you pick any prize.
Oh, does the dog have, do you open it up to see what price it says in there? How much is it?
£3.
Oh. So how does it work? How does it work?
Over like that.
Oh, so you throw there.
Over.
Oh, wow. So you throw the hula over it.
Over it, yeah. Over it like that.
Little lights amazing.
There's some candy in here and some grill. Asha, you want this one? Okay, so let's go. We'll go on this one.
Jump in the car.
So we've got the token for the boys.
Go.
Oh, Adam, both of you need to do it together. Or do I need to? But can he ride by himself? Can he ride by himself? So I'll probably just buy another one. Both of you to ride together, Adam. Give me.
I tell
Oh my god! My boys are in trouble!
Few moments later.
You wanna go on that water thing? Okay. We can find out how much it is. Come on, let's go.
No, we have to go here.
So where is the next place? Are we going on the stairs? It's so tiny. I think there is the one. Adam, there is the stairs here. There is a staircase here. Come on. Oh my, it's so tiny, guys. Oh, Adam, do you want to go back and climb that one? Adam, you can go back down and climb the other one. Well done, Adam. Asha, go on. Climb. Asha, climb. Well done, baby. Go on, guys. Asha, go on. You have to hold the rail, Asha, so you don't knock off. It's like a conveyor thing. I'm gonna come behind. Oh my god. I'm not doing that. Oh my days. What am I doing here? What am I doing here? I'm not a pro, Adam. I'm just trying to be careful so I don't get knocked off. Are we going up? Oh my days. Wow. Careful. Careful, guys. Adam, what's left?
It's a slide.
Is it slide?
Yeah.
No, I can't.
Why?
No, I'm not getting in that. I'm so scared.
What? You can't.
No, it just seems like I'm just going to be too clumsy in there. You guys can go on. Oh my. Oh no, you guys. Madam, it just looks scary. Asha, you're not afraid of it? Can't see your face. What did you say?
I'm not afraid.
You're not afraid? Do you want to go? Oh no, you guys, I'm going to go back. Oh, Adam is gone. Adam, is he cool? Woo, my babies are going. Asha, did you enjoy the slide? Look up.
more power. Here we go.